That is a very quick signal taken. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. And he helps himself to a six. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
There is a fielder at extra cover.
Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at extra cover.
They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Edge, and it's gone for four. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike. Can you do it again?
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. It's nicely timed. We'll only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Nudges it for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Fielder placed at point.
They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back. There's a fielder at extra cover.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Spinner into the action from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There's a fielder at extra cover.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is brilliant work by the wicketkeeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
That is brilliant work by the keeper, and he has got the batsman out stumped.
Last ball of the innings coming up. That is a beautiful shot. It's a strong area. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get padded up for the chase.